All right, guys, so we're about to go check out the Colosseum mine. Colin's already in his truck. You ready? So I hope you guys enjoy this ride. We haven't been out here for about a year. Well, guys, we came up on this old foundation, this old house. It's been gone for a while. It's all torn down. There's the old kitchen sink over here. I'll show you. Colin found an old engine. Look, the oil pan's all cracked.
Well, I just flipped it. But you can see the pistons. It's kind of cool.
Damn. You know what that is? That's an inline 6. So this is a V6. Probably off of like an old Jeep.
Yeah. Look at the head gasket. Like,
There's the muffler.
Yeah. I was going to do a joke about that, but couldn't think of one.
There's a kitchen sink over here I'm going to show. We stopped off because I wanted to air down real quick. Hopefully we got enough battery to show you guys. This was a last minute trip, but yeah, there's the old kitchen sink right there. There's the old house. What's left of it? Nothing. Looks like that was like a driveway. Pretty small little place. I'm gonna go ahead and finish airing down. We're gonna keep heading this way. Well, nothing like driving through the desert, running up on a couple steer. Hey, buddy. What's happening? There's a big ass bowl right over there. There's a bowl. That's all his lady friends. We out. Little crazy. You roll up on those guys. We're making our way to Colosseum mine. We've had a couple detours, but we're getting there. Here's an old miner's cabin. I think we came up on this last time we came out here, but it's in a lot worse shape than the last time. There's a bunny. But you can see the living conditions from back in the day. Pretty cool. It's getting kind of chilly up here. I don't know if we're gonna get in the water like I planned. We're gonna try. We'll see how it feels up there. Hopefully the sun comes back out. Clouds are covering all the sun. It's about 55 degrees. I don't know if I want to jump in that water, but We're gonna keep going. Colin's making a goofy face. Whoa, I'm about tripped getting in. Looks like an old water tank. I don't know. I think it's water. It's like water in a fuel tank. Looks like it's still pretty fresh. Looks like a generator attached to that back there. Let's go take a look. Yeah, it looks like somebody's still coming out here.
Yeah, that's a newer one.
That lock's new for sure, look.
Yeah, no kidding.
Probably when he needs water, he comes over here and turns it on. Must be a well over here somewhere. Yeah, see how that goes down in the ground? I bet that's a well. And then it pumps the water out of the ground. Way too cold. Oh, crap.
I'm not complaining.
Man, we brought the inflatables. We were gonna float across, check it out, but guys, it's way too cold and windy.
I don't think I ever came out. I feel like
You don't remember it?
I don't think it was me. I think it was Ethan or somebody.
No, because we went in that guy's stinky camper. Cabin? Do you remember that?
No.
Oh, maybe you didn't come. Well, that's cool, guys. Colin got to come out for the first time. He got 2. Three. Anyway, I'm getting back in the truck. It's freezing. I was gonna get some drone footage, but it's too windy. What's that? Is that your receipt? Don't litter. Oh, it's goner.
Brake lubrication.
That's you.
That's definitely you.
Brake lube.
This would be way dirtier if it was mine.
Oh, guys. It's like ice cold with that wind. But it's so crazy to be down here. And to think of all of the work that happened down in here. So gonna go ahead and throw you back up on top. We got a little bit of battery left. Let you guys see us climb out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed so far.